Alright, so what we got is a 350 TBI. And this is a replacement engine. Bought used. Runs great, doesn't tick, doesn't smoke. But the problem we're having with it is we got an oil leak somewhere. I'm thinking it's going to be the oil pressure sensor, because it wouldn't change when it was replaced. So let's get up here and see if we can get a gander at it. Won't fall off the bumper. No, dry the bone. Yeah. Well, there's something else we got leaking too, haven't we? Got a little bit of coolant. Last guy didn't change that. Well, shoot. This has got a little bit longer. Alright. Where are you at? I knew where the oil come from, isn't it? Oh yeah, she donezo. She is donezo. Let me get a picture of that. Let me get a snap of that real quick. I'm going to go to the owner because he was right. It didn't get changed. It's going to now. If I can get on that shit back here and get off. There, come on. Get on there. Of course. Maybe that'll make it a little bit easier on me. Hopefully. I live my life an eighth of a turn at a time. Let me take that plug off the back of it and then get a little extra room. Maybe that'll help me. Hopefully. I know y'all can't really see much what I'm working on. Neither can I. Don't be that way. See, don't be that way. Okay, you're gonna be a pain in my butt today. you come off. And you come off. And you come off. See, we're all here to help each other. Oh yeah, yeah, she's done. I think that wraps that one up. He said, oh, it looks fine. We'll put it back on. Hey, I like the guy that did the work, but yeah, I hate to have to do stuff twice. I think we all agree on that. Alrighty. Brand new one. Already got the sealing on it. Get this thing done and get it out of here. And yes, it was reading good oil pressure, but once it got warm, oil pressure was no longer there. Be good to me. Don't tell me a different style plug. Better not be. That's the right plug. I think hold my mouth right. Oh, come here. That's your home. Oh, I felt it. I felt it. Make sure I'm going the right way. And are you even doing mechanic work if you don't try and figure out if you're going the right way at least once a day? Oh. Alright. How about now? Yes. Did you go on? Come on now. We were going to be that way, ain't we? I thought we was friends. Gotcha. Send you home. Click. Let's see here. Do. enough electric cleaner to be better for it, but they didn't have any. Let that dry out for just a little bit. Just a few other things while I'm here. Alrighty. Alright. Still got a little bit of oil in it, baby, alright. Just give it a little bit of corrosion protection. Alright. Get the old air cleaner, set back on it, and I think she's good to go. Come on. Be nice. Get on there. Nut a wing. Alright. I think that's probably going to do it. At least for the time being. I'll check the oil off camera and all that good stuff, and I think we're going to head on out. Y'all have a good one.